Hi, ladies. Quick question. Are you choosing the level of vitality, health, and sexiness you have in your life right now? Are you doing things every day that make you love your life? Do you feel like the beautiful, powerful creator that you are? Would you like to have more pleasure in your life, less stress? Please join me for a transformative workshop on women's vitality. You will learn 9 amazing principles for rejuvenation. These principles and practices are literally the practices for the fountain of youth. You will learn Yoni egg exercises. You will learn Arvigo Womb Massage, which is so powerful in keeping your uterus healthy throughout your entire life. You will learn breast massage, which detoxifies the breast, keeping your breasts healthy. You will learn a powerful 15-point acupressure facelift that literally rejuvenates every organ of your body because it's all connected. You will learn the orgasm effect, why orgasms are such powerful contributors to your health, how they contribute amazing biochemistry to your body that literally helps rejuvenate you. They help not only your health and your vitality, but they help your appearance and your energy and your focus and your creativity. Are you having cervical orgasms? If not, why not? What are the blocks to your pleasure? So let's dive into this in an amazing workshop. Give this time to yourself. Give yourself the gift of your own focus and attention to learn these practices and increase vitality in your life. We are going to have an awesome time. So hop on the link below and join. And even if you can't make the date, register anyway, and a video will be sent to you. The date is November 12th, Pacific time from 11 to 1. So I really hope to see you there to learn these practices that will powerfully enhance your health. See you there.